Mastering English, Style Guides and Dictionaries for Proofreading and Editing. Hello language learners, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll delve into an exciting part of the English language learning journey: proofreading and editing tools. More specifically, we'll focus on the use of style guides and dictionaries. These tools can be your secret weapons to not only make your writing grammatically correct but also more polished, stylish, and effective. So let's jump right in. Style guides are sets of standards for writing and designing content. They help ensure consistency in spelling, grammar, punctuation, and formatting. They might seem complex at first, but with practice, you'll find that they are incredibly helpful in enhancing the quality of your written English. A few popular English language style guides include the APA, American Psychological Association, MLA, Modern Language Association, and the Chicago Manual of Style. So why are style guides so important? First, they help ensure uniformity across your writing. This is especially crucial for those who are writing professionally or academically. Moreover, these guides can give your writing a level of credibility and authority. Lastly, style guides can also enhance readability and help your reader understand your message more easily. Let's now turn our attention to dictionaries. A dictionary is a book or online resource that lists the words of a language, usually in alphabetical order, and gives their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and sometimes pronunciation. But did you know that there are also specialized dictionaries? These include thesauruses, idiom dictionaries, and industry-specific dictionaries. These can be extremely useful tools to improve your vocabulary and understanding of English. Dictionaries are critical tools for anyone learning a new language. They help us understand the meaning of words, their usage, and their context. Dictionaries can also teach us about synonyms and antonyms, which can help make our writing more interesting and varied. Furthermore, dictionaries can help us understand cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions, making our writing more authentic. Now that we've covered the basics, here are some practical tips for using these tools. 1. Familiarize yourself with at least one style guide and use it consistently. 2. Refer to a dictionary when you come across a word you don't understand. 3. Use a thesaurus to vary your vocabulary and avoid repetition. 4. Don't forget about online tools and apps. There are many digital style guides and dictionaries available that are easy to access and use. That wraps up our discussion on style guides and dictionaries as essential tools for proofreading and editing. We hope that this video has given you a clearer understanding of how these resources can improve your English writing skills. Remember, mastering a language is a journey. So, be patient, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.